Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to step number 2 in how to create a dropshipping store using Shopify. Now in the previous video guys, we went ahead and set up and created our free Shopify account, and towards the end of the video we were directed to our Shopify dashboard. Now in this video guys, we're gonna go ahead and take it a step further, and we're gonna go ahead and select and download our free Shopify theme. Now using our theme guys, we're gonna go ahead and create and customize our e-commerce store. So let's get right into it. Let's go back to our Shopify dashboard. So once we're on our Shopify dashboard, we're gonna scroll over to our left side right here, and then we're gonna scroll down to our store tab over here. So right where my cursor is, go ahead and click that. And once we do that guys, we will be directed to our themes page right here. Now if you're not directed to this page, make sure you have your theme sub-tab selected. So simply go ahead and click that and you will be directed to this page. Now with that said guys, if we take a look at this page right here, we can see that Shopify went ahead and selected a default theme for us called Debut. Now in my opinion guys, this is the best free Shopify theme available and we will be using it in this course. However, if you want to take a look at the different free Shopify themes available to you, you can simply go ahead and scroll down right here to where it says free themes. And we can go ahead and click this explore free themes button. So let's go ahead and do that. And once we do that guys, we will have this pop-up appear to us, which gives us a list of free Shopify themes available. Now these are all very nice themes. If you want to take a closer look at a particular theme, you can simply go ahead and click it. And we have a nice little preview of the theme, a quick description, some of its features, and the different styles included. So that's pretty cool. Now if you want to go ahead and download this theme, you can simply go ahead and press this button right here and you will have installed it. Now guys, for this tutorial purposes, I highly recommend that you stick with the theme Debut because in my opinion guys, it's the best free Shopify theme available and it will help you keep track with what I'm saying in this course. So with that said, once you have this theme selected, we can go ahead and press this X button right here and then we can scroll over to the top once again and we can go ahead and view what our theme looks like. So to view our theme guys, we're gonna go ahead and click this view your store button right here where my cursor is. So let's go ahead and do that. And let's give it a second while it loads. So once we do that guys, we will be directed to this page right here, which is our home page and our themes page. And we can see that we have a nice and clean looking theme. And that's why I really like this theme. Now as far as the content on the theme goes, in the upcoming videos, we're gonna go ahead and begin customizing the theme to make it look like how we want. So with that said guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you how you can go ahead and select and download a free Shopify theme. And in the next video, we're gonna go ahead and begin customizing this theme. So I will see you in the next video.